Good to be here. This is chemistry class and the topic is hydrides. Hydrides are binary compounds of hydrogen. A binary compound is a compound that contains only two elements in its molecule. So, a hydride contains just hydrogen and one other element in a molecule of the hydride. Hydrides can be classified into two. One, ionic hydrides. Ionic hydrides are hydrides of metals, and they are ionic in nature. They are formed by ionic bonding. Properties of ionic hydrides. A. Ionic hydrides are solids at room temperature. B. They have high melting point and boiling point. C. They have high density. D. They are crystalline in nature. When we say a solid is crystalline in nature, it simply means that the internal structure of the solid have particles that have regular, definite arrangement. Another property of ionic hydride is that they are soluble in water. In addition, they are non-volatile. And what does that mean? It means they do not vaporize at room temperature. A non-volatile substance is a substance that does not vaporize at room temperature. The second group or the second class of hydrides is known as covalent hydrides. Covalent hydrides are hydrides of nonmetals, and they are formed by covalent bonding or hydrogen bonding. So, in a covalent hydride, either you have covalent bonding or hydrogen bonding. Properties of covalent hydrides. Covalent hydrides are mainly liquids and gases at room temperature. That is one. Two, they have low boiling points and melting point. 3, some of them are volatile because they contain very weak van der Waals forces. Volatile in the sense that they can easily vaporize at room temperature. Examples of covalent hydride include A. Water. Water is a hydride of oxygen. B. Ammonia. Ammonia is a hydride of nitrogen. C. Hydrogen sulfide. You know, the gas that has the smell of rotten egg is a hydride of sulfur. And then we have pH3. pH3 is a hydride of phosphorus and is usually called phosphine. Now, the main difference between these two groups of hydrides, the ionic hydrides and covalent hydride, is their nature. While ionic hydrides are ionic in nature, covalent hydrides are covalent in nature. Thank you for listening and see you again.
Quiz.